All right, St. Louis, I want to say hello, St. Louis. I know I just posted some earlier, and I'm quite certain some of you don't quite understand what I'm trying to convey. I want you to understand something, if you can take just a moment. Don't get discouraged or disappointed with me. Stay with me, St. Louis. We got problems. We got some problems. Think about when we grew up in the projects. Down in Car Square Village, you had shootings, homicides, dope war, Pruitt-Igoe against Car Square Village, Peabody, Doris Webby, so much mayhem. Nothing has changed at all. The only thing changed that your level of intellect has changed. You're getting older, so you have not the ability to process. So the cycle continues. At some point, those of us that are older have to become more wiser and more mature. If not, the pattern will continue. Nothing will change. Everything will remain the same. Darkness is literally ruling this country, this world. Darkness. You can call it Satan, Lucifer, whatever the hell you want to call it, you can call it. I'm going to call it different levels of sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. You must begin to understand that you are not as you think you are. In other words, can you imagine having a balloon, and the balloon itself is only 1/8 full. In other words, out of 100%, just 1/8% or 1%, we'll say. So it's 99% away from the truth. However, the balloon thinks it needs to reach 10%, and it's at that point, it's already dying because it's at 10%. So the question you must ask yourself, why come that water didn't exceed beyond 10%? The reason it didn't proceed beyond the 10% is because the container of the water perished. The container of the water. So based upon us, the body is perishing before the mind reaches perfection. The body can only last as long as it lasts because the mind is not fine-tuning the body. Everything is a sound. So if the mind reaches a certain sound before the body decays, the body and the mind will become one. And as a result, you will warp space and time and change the reality in which you dwell. We are following darkness. And the reason we've been following this darkness because we never reached the truth to know that we didn't know. So the blind are leading the blind. That's one of the reasons religion. You got Pentecostal, you got Christian, you got Buddhist, Hindu, Muslim. You got all these isms, but yet nothing has changed. Have you ever wondered why? Because we're following false doctrine. Jesus walked on water, Moses parted the Red Sea, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. The question is, have we turned the Bible into fables and stories because we lack the literacy to understand the truth? How can you understand the truth and you're dying every day? You come through the fallopian tube, you're born. Now you're literally walking and talking. Now you're going to high school and college, but yet you're dying as you seek to reach that level of achievement. You become that doctor, and as a result, you're now 70 years old, you retire, you think you had a good life, but you never even lived. The reason you never lived because you never reached the full 100% within the balloon. And as a result of reaching the 100%, you would have literally removed yourself from space and time. And as a result, you will begin to see the world as it truly is. And the reason you will begin to see, because now you have the power to see. We are driving around trying to find the next party, the next boo, trying to find out who you want to have sex with. And you're acting a fool and fail to realize you're being tossed to and from to keep you from manifesting the truth. Because once you get the truth, not a devil in hell has the ability to stop that level of power. And that's where we must go. So I'm telling you all in St. Louis, Chi-Town, New York, Oregon, the Bahamas, Florida, it's time for us to say all or damn nothing. May God bless you all. God bless. It's time. It's time, St. Louis, to take that damn mountain. And that's by any means necessary. Trust me. Faith's not an option. God bless.